Hello and welcome to another online lecture. We were doing arithmetic operations in last lecture. We did larger number multiplication, 3 digit multiplied by 3 digit, 4 digit multiplied by 3 digit and 4 digit multiplied by 4 digit. Now we will jump to larger number division, that is long division also it is called. So here we will need to round off the values, some of the values, not all of them. You already know division. Let us do a simple division method first, so you may be able to recollect it. Let us do 4936 divided by 16. 4936 divided by 16. What we usually do is we check the number of digits here and here. Here there are 2 digits, these are 4 digits. Because this is 2 digits, we will start off with first 2 digits. So we will find a number which is very close to 49, which comes in the table of 16 of course. So we will find the number which is very close to 49 but lesser than 49. So 16 threes are 48, as we all know, correct? So 9 minus 8 gives you 1, 4 minus 4 gives you 0. Now one digit comes down at a time in division, as you already know. So 3 comes down, it becomes 13. Now 16 is already greater than 13. So the division won't be possible directly. So what we will do is 16 ones are 16 is greater than 13. So we will do 16 zeros are 0. That will give me 13 again. But this time this digit comes down, that is 136. Okay. Now in the table of 16 we will find the number which is very closer to 136 but less than 136. So 16 8s are 128, because if we do 16 9s are, that will be 144. So we will go with 8. 16 8s are 128, remaining is 36 minus 28 gives you 8. This is called remainder. Okay, this is called quotient. 16 is called divisor and dividend. Okay, this is the concept of division. Now we'll do larger number divisions. We will do one example and rest of the examples you will try to solve on your own. Let me take this example. 96398 divided by 213. Now sir, we don't know the table of 213, so it's okay, no problem. You just need to round off the values. 213 is closer to 200, so we will check for 200's table, because you know 2's table, so you obviously would get to know 200's table. And this is 96,398. It is almost close to 96,400, or if you round it out to nearest 10,000, it will be 96,000, correct? So sorry, nearest 1000, it will be 96,000. 213. Sir, which number should we multiply first? If I do 213, we will so first we will take these 3 digits, because this is a 3 digit number. 213, in the table of 213, let us assume it is a 200. Okay, so if I do 200 fours, it will be 800. If I do 200 fives are, that will be 1000. 1000 is greater than 963. So obviously I will have to do with 4. So we will directly take 4 and now we will multiply 213 and 4. Understood? That will be a 3-digit number and we will put the number below 963. So 4 3s are 12, carry 1 which you have to keep in mind. 3 4s are 12, carry 1, 4 1s are 4, plus 1 5, 4 2s are 8. If I had gone with 5, it would have already be greater than 1000 because 213 is greater than 200. So 200 into 5 and 213 into 5, 213 into 5 will be greater than 200 into 5. Understood? No matter what is the answer, you must already know which one is greater. Now 3 minus 2 gives you 1, 6 minus 5 also gives you 1, 9 minus 8 gives you 1 again, 9 comes down. Okay, one digit at a time. In division you have to remember one digit comes down at a time and you don't need to put this arrow every time. I am just putting this arrow just to explain you. Now 213 1119. Okay, sir, this is closer to 1000. 213 5 is 1000. If I go with into 6, 213 into 6, that will be greater than 1200 because 200 into 6 gives you 1200. So we will go with 5s. 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6, 5 2s are 10. 9 minus 5 gives you 4, 1 minus 6 won't go, so 1 becomes 11, 11 minus 6 gives you 5, this becomes 0, 0 minus 0 0 and 0. Now 8 comes down. Okay, now 213 and 548. Obviously now you would know 2s are or 3s are. If I go with 3, that will be greater than 600, so you have to go with 2. Now 3 2s are 6, 1 2s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Subtract 8 minus 6 2, 4 minus 2 2, 5 minus 4 1. Now this is greater than this one. If I do with 0, because in previous example we went with 0, if I do zeros, again it will be 122 and we don't have any other digits to come down. That's why we stop here. Otherwise I would have gone further if there was another digit to take down. Okay, so this is your remainder now. This is called long division or division of larger numbers. Understood? You can solve a remaining example on your own and you can post the doubts in the comment box.